Hello, today we will cover the bubble sort algorithm. The name bubbles comes from the simple physics. Think of a glass of soda. The big air bubbles are light, so they always rise to the top of the glass. In this algorithm, the largest numbers behave like these bubbles. Here I have a visual representation of this algorithm. Look at the largest bar. See how it keeps swapping. Once it hits the end, it turns purple and stays there. Then the next biggest bar starts moving, right? So how does the computer actually do this? It follows a very strict rule. It looks at two numbers at a time. It asks a simple question. Is the neighbor on the left taller than the neighbor on the right? If the answer is yes, it swaps them. If the answer is no, it leaves them alone and moves to the next pair. Then it starts all over again from the beginning to find the next largest number. Now that we understand the movement, let's write the code in Python. Let's define the function. First, we need to find the length of the array. After that, we need outer loop. This outer loop using I controls how many passes we make through the list. Inside this outer loop, we need another loop, second loop using J. This is a loop that actually walks through the numbers side by side. We subtract I because we don't need to check the end of the list again. And we subtract 1 because we don't need to check the latest value in array because it doesn't have the next neighbor. Now we are checking if the current one is greater than the next one, and if it is, we are swapping their values. In Python we can do this on one line. We just have the 2 pointers to switch values. And now let's check if it works and print our initial array. Run this program and we can see that we sorted the array. Thanks, see you in next video.